Assalamu alaikum. Shasat Humayr Bandari. Today, really, Yemeni. كلنا فرشوف هذا في السعودي. الله أكبر. Israel. Too much attack for Palestine and Gaza. Allahu Akbar. Every world fighting. Maybe 400 billion person maybe die. Near. India also fighting Bangladesh. Inshallah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam he say one day India and Bangladesh coming big fighting. There have too much people die and all people die because some people coming Muslim win victory. Because last time war, fighting because last time victory and freedom for Muslim. Wallahi, this is Quran. This is Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He's his manager. He's a messenger. Sorry, my idol, my Muhammad. Messenger. He's a messenger. He's a Superman. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Kala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He say one day in Al Hind, India also coming fighting, but all more people die because some Muslim coming victory. But win Muslim. But Yehudi, Hindu, Nasara, Astik, Nastik, all die. Assalamu alaikum. Dua. Kullu dunya. Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum.